What's up, y'all? I'm back. Picked these up off Nike. These dropped last Saturday. These are still sitting. I was able to get these off Nike.com. So let's get it. They did not have a men's 7.5. These fit big on me, like half size big. So I went with the size 7Y. I was able to use my swoosh account to get these for $90 instead of $160, which is the retail. So I'm pretty happy about that. It's a Jordan box. The men's come with the bigger box. Receipt. Alright, let's go. Regular Jordan box. Here's it. Size 7Y. Air Jordan 6 Retro OG BG. Retail is $160. That's a killer. Luckily, I could use my swoosh account, so I got these for half off. Colorway is off-white. New Maroon. So let's go. Stamp. Damn, here it is. The Maroon 6. That off-white milky sole. There's a tongue. That Nike. The Jumpman. The reason why the prices are up because of the Nike Air on the back. Here's this little fuzzy on the back. Heel strap. Nike Air on the insole. There you go. Sixes fit big on me. Smallest size they had in the men's was a size 8. So here's a gray school come with the Jumpman sticker. Here's the other pair. Don't see any flaws on mine. I've been seeing a lot of people complaining that they have flaws on theirs. Can't see any flaws on these, so pretty happy about that. Painting is on point. It's a Nike Air for this one. Yeah, don't see any flaws for these, but there's still tumble leather over here on the grade school pair, so yeah, I don't see any flaws. Don't see any flaws whatsoever on these pairs, so happy about it. This is my latest pickup, the Nike Jordan 6 Maroons. I might cop another pair if they have another pair of these in my size. But so far, this size is sold out on Nike.com. I just see if other places have them, but I'm gonna try to get the Jordan 1172 10s and try and go for the Yeezys that are releasing next week. So stay tuned for my channel if you like what I'm doing, unboxings and everything. And yeah, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Alright, peace.